Janja here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to do what I would have called an unboxing, but I guess it's gonna be more of an unbagging. I kind of actually forgot what I ordered. I know I bought some rings from Rula for Pandora. And if you do hear some banging outside, it is because they are currently painting my house. So just giving you the heads up in case you hear some banging or noises. Okay, so yeah, a couple of days ago, well actually some more than a week ago, is it just me or does Rula take forever to ship? I ordered some rings, and I can only remember one of the rings I bought. There's so much other crap in here that I don't need. How come I don't get little baggies anymore, you guys? Alright. Okay, so I think this is all I got. Does that look right? I hope so. I hope so, I hope so, I hope so. Okay, let's get rid of that. So this is going to be a ring unboxing. These are the rings that I pretty much missed out on when they were in the store. And then they got retired. And mostly it was because it did have my size. So I want to start off with this one, since this one I bought in the last Rula Pandora pop-up boutique, I guess, or sale. Is it not focusing again? Am I too close? There we go. So I got doubles of this. I got 2 of these now. Just because I really like it. I've been wearing it a lot lately. I think I already kind of showcased it on my Instagram account. So I forget what it's called. But there's that. And then this one's kind of on my... Gotta say, guys, this video is probably going to be a little short. It's not going to be like super, super long. This one I was kind of iffy on. Only because I like it, obviously because it has stars and everything. But I feel like it was missing something. I don't know why. Like, I like this on its own, and I like this on its own. But then together, I don't know if I like them as a pair. Do you guys know what I mean? I think maybe it's because this is oxidized. And this isn't. So I kind of always wanted it, but at the same time I kind of passed on it. I kept passing on it until it was gone. Oh my gosh, you guys. So anyways, yeah, so that's probably why too I think I bought 2 of these. Because maybe I could like stack them, make this a center, so it wouldn't look as weird to me at least. I don't know. So yeah, I got these. And then this one is, just, again, they're duplicates. It's 2 of the same ring. So redundant on the bags there, guys. Make sure that... Oh my gosh, what are they doing out there? Can you guys hear that? Okay, so, excuse me. I did buy 2 of them only because when I was in the store once upon a time, I liked it well enough. I thought it was very sparkly, very cute. But then I did this, and I was like, oh yeah, that's right. So, yeah. So one is nice, but 2 is better, I think, in my humble opinion. Now, on Pandora's website, I believe, I could be wrong, and I don't want to offend anybody. This is what Pandora, you know what, before I even tell you the name of it, I'm just going to look it up real quick, because I don't, like I said, I want to make... Let me double check here that this is indeed called the Oriental Blossom. And I know you guys aren't seeing anything in front of you except for a little bit of this, so I'll just do that. Yes. Yes, it is called the Oriental Blossom Ring. And I guess there's another one. There's a pink one. That's just like the single version of it. And this is the, I guess what we would call the Eternity Band part of it. So, yeah, I like the way it looks with two. And I curse Pandora for that because they always do that. They always make the ring so stackable that it's so nice when you have two of them. And I did buy them a little big for my size. These are 58s, all of them, which is I think 8.5s. I'm actually a 7. But in order for me to be perfectly comfortable, see how it's actually kind of have a little resistance? I always buy them way too big so that I'm comfortable. And also I do that so that if I want to either switch it up and do that, I am still comfortable and I can still wear them. I'm pretty sure, I'm a little chunky here on this one. But it's a little big on my thumb, but I can still kind of swing it, especially too if I want to stack that. So that's it, you guys. It's not much of a haul, but I was really excited to finally, buy these because especially like I said, I missed out when they first came out. So like I said, it's not a very long video, but I am very happy with my purchase. And I hope you've enjoyed watching my video. And until next time, I will talk to you guys later. Bye!